Hey, what's good guys? Welcome to TechSmartt 2, second video here on the channel. And it's not 50 minutes long. It's nice, right? It's nice, right? Roll the intro. So, as promised, here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus clone. I think this is a clone. EverythingApplePro, or Philip, he gave me his, so big props to him. This is going up a day before the event, so I'll be in San Francisco tomorrow. If you guys are just subscribed to this channel, or if you're just subscribed to the main channel, make sure you're following on the Insta story. It's just TechSmartt, so, ooh, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Man, he gets way better clones than I do. Who's hooking him up? Who's hooking me up? Dang. 3 cameras on the back, like we think. Let's see what else we get in here. Ooh, F. I don't even know if these are real or not. His supplier is way better, like in the loop and then some. Woo! I'm gonna say these headphones probably are coming out USB-C. Like this doesn't even feel, okay, no, that one definitely feels fake. And the charging brick, the USB port. So, you know it's gonna have USB-C. That's kind of a given at this point. But man, what I'm excited to check out is the Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh yeah, Ev. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So if you guys missed the original video where I kind of talk about the rumors, make sure you check that out. Talked about it a little earlier. But with the S10 and the S10 Plus, you're kind of getting a large screen. So this is the S9 Plus. I'm just struggling big time here. Let's turn on the S10 Plus clone for the first time. So it feels and sounds like the real deal. So S9 Plus compared to the S10 Plus. 3 cameras, 2 cameras, the vertical, the horizontal. I kind of like the horizontal look. Maybe, just maybe in camera tests, it also shoots your frame horizontally. I don't think that'd make a difference. I think it's just placement, but you never know.
I guess we'll never know.
One interesting thing to note is it looks really like an iPhone. Like the S10 Plus Ev. Would you say it looks like an iPhone? That compared to what we all know and love as TouchWiz. Like this phone looks really good. A little laggy. So let's jump on YouTube here. We're gonna play something from the PB Jams channel. I'll leave that link down below. It's popping, we just hit 10K. Ev behind the camera actually curates it. So if you wanna see what Ev's into, boom. Looks pretty good too. Definitely this phone in the S10 clone, Bentley's Divinity. See how it sounds. See how the what is this? The official audio. There's lyric videos, official audios. You guys know if you follow the playlists. It doesn't look that good, right, Ev? It looks a little deceiving in the camera, the overhead showing it. It is blurry for sure. That was the video there, but YouTube works. iOS 12 iOS launcher? What? What did he do to this phone? EverythingApplePro, your supplier is gotta be my supplier soon enough, man. Wow, this is a real proper S10 clone. S10 Plus, F, like, it's perfect. I mean, yeah, the bezels are a little thick. Let's see what this camera looks like. No way. No way.
Really makes me think, how much money are they possibly saving by putting in a 0.3 megapixel standard, 2 megapixel, 5 megapixel?
So this is just a sneak peek at the S10 Plus clone. Looks pretty good. I'm definitely gonna dive more into this in the Samsung Galaxy S10. How bad is it? Gotta figure out how much this thing costs, but it looks pretty good and pretty deceiving at that. I mean, I don't think we're gonna see any marks this year when the phone does come out. This is just a few days early, but in comparison to the S9 Plus here, it looks pretty good. So that's it for this video. If you're new, make sure to drop a like, get subscribed, and consider to join becoming a member on the main channel. I'll see you guys next time.